What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is ASAR Studio. Today we're not going to be doing any tutorial, but I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving you 3D LUT presets you can use for light skin models. Alright, so this is actually in the description below where you can actually download, but in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use it. If you want to check how I created it, you can actually hit the notification bell to get notified on the next video I'm going to be posting, so you see how I created this LUT. Like I said, it can be used in any editing software, but I created it in Photoshop and it's actually easy for you to use in Photoshop. So without further ado, let me show you how to quickly use it. So I have a couple of photos right here and I'm going to be showing you how it actually enhances the color profile and most especially the skin color of any light skin girls. So let's get started. I'm going to just go up to the top and you can see that turning it off, you can see different images I've created, I've dragged in place, and let's see how the photo affects that. Alright, so here the name of the preset or the color lookup preset is actually ASAR's color light skin color profile. So let's go look for it. I'm going to go to color lookup tables and I'm going to search for where it is. Click on the drop down, go to load other 3D preset, and I saved it at the desktop, so I'm going to go to the desktop and this is it. So I'm going to start with the light skin color cube 1 and let's see, it's actually going to load that into it, and you can imagine the dramatic change it had there to the photo. So you can see before and then after. Just take a look at our skin. Let me zoom in a little bit and let's see from this to this. Just added that. So I'm going to switch this off, and you can see for this one, turn it off and on. I'm going to turn this off and then turn this one on, off and on, so you can see how it actually corrects the image. Turn this off and on, so, and this one off and on, so it actually adds some nice color grading to it. Okay, so this one off and on. Okay, so let's go on loading the next one, which is the other two. So I'm going to turn it on, double click, and then go load other one. So let's go to the color lookup. All right, let's just create a new one then. Color lookup. I'm going to turn this one off and then I'm going to turn this one on, so you can load other 3D preset, and we can use the one of, let's say, cube 1, and you can see almost like the same thing but a little bit okay with the rest. So you can see before and then after. Let's turn on this one, before and then after. So you can use whichever one, and if it's too saturated you can actually, you know, before and then after, before and then after, before. All right, so the description, the download link in the description below. If you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed the video posting, kindly like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.